The curious case of copycats. In our daily lives, we often encounter individuals who imitate others. These people, known colloquially as copycats, replicate the actions, speech, or style of someone else. This phenomenon is not only seen in humans, but is also prevalent in the animal kingdom. Understanding the reasons behind this behaviour and its impacts can be quite fascinating. The origin of the term. Copycat. The term copycat has an interesting history. It originated in the 19th century and was first used to describe someone who copied another's work or actions. The word combines copy, meaning to replicate something, and cat, a common pet known for its curious and sometimes mischievous behaviour. Over time, the term gained popularity and is now widely used in various contexts. Why do people imitate others? Learning and development. Imitation is a fundamental part of learning, especially in childhood. Children often mimic their parents or peers as a way of understanding the world around them. This mimicry helps in the development of language skills, social abilities, and even problem-solving techniques. Desire for acceptance. Sometimes people copy others to fit in or be accepted in a particular social group. This is especially common among teenagers who are navigating their social identities. By imitating the dress style, language, or behaviour of a group, individuals feel a sense of belonging. Admiration. Often, imitation stems from admiration. When we look up to someone, whether a celebrity, a teacher, or a friend, we might subconsciously start to emulate their mannerisms or style. This form of imitation is a way of showing respect and appreciation for someone we admire. Imitation in the animal kingdom. Animals also engage in imitation, and for them it can be a crucial survival strategy. For example, some birds mimic the calls of other species to protect their territory or attract a mate. Similarly, certain insects and animals copy the appearance of more dangerous species to avoid predators, a phenomenon known as mimicry. The positive and negative aspects of being a copycat. Imitation can have both positive and negative consequences, depending on the context and extent of the copying. Positive aspects. Skill development. Imitation is a powerful tool for learning new skills. For instance, in sports or arts, beginners often improve by watching and copying more experienced individuals. Innovation. Sometimes imitation can lead to innovation. By building upon someone else's ideas, people can create something new and unique. Negative aspects. Loss of individuality. Excessive imitation might lead to a loss of personal identity. People who constantly mimic others may struggle to develop their own distinct personality or style. Ethical issues. Copying someone else's work, especially in academic or professional settings, is considered unethical and can lead to serious consequences. How to balance imitation and originality. Balancing imitation with originality is important for personal development. Here are some tips. Be selective. It's okay to be inspired by others, but choose wisely whom you imitate. Ensure that your role models display positive and constructive behaviour. Add your personal touch. When you take inspiration from someone, try to add your personal touch to it. This helps in creating something unique that reflects your personality. Recognize your worth. Understand that your ideas and style are valuable. While it's fine to draw inspiration from others, don't underestimate your own creativity and potential. Respect intellectual property. Always give credit to the original creator if you use their work as inspiration. This respects their efforts and avoids plagiarism. Conclusion. Being a copycat is a natural part of human and animal behaviour. It plays a significant role in learning and adaptation. However, it's important to strike a balance between imitation and originality. By doing so, we can learn from others while also valuing and developing our unique qualities. In a world full of diverse talents and ideas, being true to oneself and respecting others' creativity makes the social tapestry richer and more colourful.